In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the M&T Bank Mobile app with this simple step-by-step installation guide. By the end of this guide, you'll have the app ready to use on your smartphone, allowing you to manage your banking needs conveniently from wherever you are. To begin with, you'll need to open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, this will be the Apple App Store, while Android users will head to the Google Play Store. It's important to ensure your device is connected to the internet to avoid any interruptions during the download process. Once the App Store is open, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is a handy tool to help you quickly find what you're looking for, especially with millions of apps available. In the search bar, type in M&T Bank app. As you type, suggestions may pop up beneath the search bar. These suggestions come in handy if you want to speed up your search request. However, make sure you select the official M&T Bank app to ensure you're downloading the correct app. The official app will have recognizable branding and information about the bank to assure you of its authenticity. Once you've located it in the search results, tap on it to open the App Store page, where you'll find more details about its features, capabilities, and reviews from other users who have already downloaded it. After confirming that this is indeed the app you want, the next step is to click the Install button. For iPhone users, this button might say Get instead of Install. Depending on your App Store settings, you might be prompted to authenticate your download. This could be through entering your Apple ID password using Face ID or authenticating with your fingerprint. For Android users, you might need to approve some app permissions before installation. These permissions allow the app to function correctly, so it's important to read through and understand what you're granting access to. Once you've done this, the download and installation will begin. The time this process takes can vary depending on your internet speed, but it generally doesn't take too long. You'll be able to monitor the download progress directly in the App Store. Upon completion, you will see an open button appear, or the app will be directly available on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now you can tap the app icon to open it and go through the setup process if necessary. This might include logging in with your existing M&T Bank online banking credentials or setting up a new account. Congratulations! You now have the M&T Bank mobile app installed on your device, enabling you to manage accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and so much more, all in the palm of your hand. Happy banking, and thank you for following along with this installation guide.